Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are in second year, third year, or final year, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 common internship mistakes to avoid. Landing an internship is just the first step. Your performance can make or break your future opportunities. Let's get started. First up is something that's important for any job doing your research. It's crucial to research the company, its mission, values, and the specific role. Many interns accept a position without knowing what the company does. Then they're stuck doing something they hate. Researching a company is easy. Check out their website, read some news articles, or browse their social media. You'll get a feel for what they value as a company. Failing to do your homework can lead to disappointment. Look, I get it, no one dreams of spending their summer fetching coffee and making copies. But here's the thing. Administrative duties and operational tasks are an integral part of any job, especially when you're just starting out. Embrace these tasks as opportunities to demonstrate your commitment and character. Your willingness to tackle even the smallest tasks with a positive attitude speaks volumes about your work ethic. Plus, you never know what you might learn or who you might impress while completing those tasks. You'd be surprised how many people mess this up. Adhering to the dress code is essential. First impressions matter, and your attire is a huge part of that. When in doubt, dress more formally. Effective time management is key to success in any role, but especially in a fast-paced internship environment. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and seek guidance from your supervisor to identify key assignments and allocate your energy accordingly. Don't be afraid to ask questions if you're unsure about deadlines or priorities. It's much better to clarify than to submit something late or incomplete. Collaboration is crucial in the professional realm, and internships are no exception. Engage with tasks beyond your scope and actively participate in meetings to demonstrate your team-oriented approach. Don't be afraid to ask questions, share your ideas, and contribute to discussions. Remember, you're there to learn and grow, and being an active participant shows that you're invested in the team's success. I know it can be intimidating to speak up, especially in a new environment, but it's crucial to make your voice heard. Showcase your value by actively engaging in projects, sharing ideas, and seeking input from colleagues. Don't be afraid to ask questions, propose solutions, or offer your perspective. Your ideas and insights are valuable, so don't be shy about sharing them. Every workplace has its own unique culture and unspoken rules. Pay attention to the subtle nuances of office culture, including communication preferences and social hierarchies. Mirror the behavior of your peers to integrate seamlessly into the organizational dynamics. For example, observe how colleagues communicate. Do they prefer email, instant messaging, or face-to-face conversations? Are there certain topics that are considered off-limits? It can be tempting to try to impress your supervisors by churning out work as quickly as possible. But trust me, quality trumps quantity every single time. Focus on delivering quality results, rather than meeting deadlines at the expense of excellence. If you find yourself struggling to meet a deadline without sacrificing quality, don't be afraid to communicate with your manager. It's better to ask for an extension or additional support than to submit subpar work. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many interns treat their experience like an extended summer break. Remember, this is your chance to gain valuable experience, learn from seasoned professionals, and build your network. Approach your internship with a professional attitude and a commitment to learning to make the most of the opportunity and set yourself up for future career success. Your internship is a stepping stone, not just a job. Take advantage of learning opportunities, seek out additional responsibilities, and put in the effort to maximize your internship experience. This can be instrumental in helping you launch your career. Don't be afraid to go above and beyond what's expected of you. Volunteer for new projects, shadow different departments, and attend industry events. By avoiding these common internship mistakes, you can navigate your internship with professionalism and set the stage for a successful career. Remember, an internship is a chance to gain hands-on experience, learn new skills, and build a network that can open doors. I am saying just start preparing from now itself, because a lot of companies will start hiring in the coming months. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you next time.